Hello everybody! We are trying new things today. I'm gonna show you how to make a rose out of crepe paper. I'm trying to incorporate more DIY projects on my channel, and these flowers caught my eye a while back. I have here some already cut 7 by 7 cm pieces of paper that I'm gonna shape into some petals. I start by folding them in half and then cutting them with a pair of scissors. Be careful not to cut yourself. I cut multiple at a time because it is easier this way to get them in about the same shape. I want to give them a little color around the edges, and for this I'm going to use some makeup color from one of my makeup kits, and I will apply it with a brush on the edge, being careful not to bend the paper, and so we'll get a nice outline for our rose. After some time, I had multiple petals ready, and I will start arranging them into a flower using a stem made from a wire, some thread and some glue. First, I attach the thread on one of the parts of the stem. Then I apply some glue and start adding the petals one by one, surrounding them with more thread and adding some glue from time to time to make sure everything stays in place. Make sure you distribute them as naturally as possible. If you think it helps, you can use a photo of a real rose as your inspiration. Adding all the petals will take a bit of time and it can prove a bit fiddly, but if you do it right, you will get a nice result. Another thing I can say is that you should pay attention to how much glue you use, because too much will ruin your paper and your work. Finally, after you add all the petals you want, tie a few knots around the stem, and that is it. This is as simple as it gets and anyone can make it. You can also use other kinds of paper, not only creped one, just make sure you cut the petals correctly and in a natural shape. You can either use some color to create an outline or not. It just depends on the preferences of each one of you. This was one of the first attempts to make a flower out of crepe paper, and for sure in the future I will try to create some more types because I like the technique. Paper flower arrangements are very appreciated. Many people make them and also many people buy them because they make for very nice arrangements, gifts and decor items without cutting the real flower. Hope you enjoyed my video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. See you next time. Take care.